welcome to our channel Tech, and today's video's topic is a little bit unique and I think you might don't know. So today's video's topic is 5 Android mobile tricks.
First trick is that first go to Google, and after that you can go by clicking in the settings, and after that you can click in the search settings, and after that you can enable your handwriting mode, and after that you can select. Now you can see that it is with what you write in the screen without in the keyboard, it is detecting in a very accurate way. If you do this summons with in front of anybody, he will be shocked. I think he will be shocked. So you can write by this, and this is our first number trick. If you like this trick, please comment down below. Now you think that you have gave your phone to a other person and you don't want to swipe your phone and see other apps because you don't want to share your secret with others. So why? It is right, you are not sharing, it is right. So for that you have to just do a simple tips. Phone search settings, you have to write screen pinning. After that you have to this type of screen will come, and after that you have to on the screen pinning. Okay, it is on. After that you think that let's assume that I have to spin the Play Store. So you have to click once. After that, in the recent apps, you have to press this pin type of symbol. You can see this pin type of symbol, and it is on. Now you can see I am not able to go back from this, but for that you have to just do I think in this only happens in Vivo. We have to only in the Vivo phone we have to only press the power button and the volume up button in the same time. So now you can see that and you can see that the screenshot has been taken. You can see that the screen is unpinned, but there's some phone I think it will be you have to press the back button, and after that the screen will be unpinned. So it may be anything. You may try this and move over the next point. In this trick I am 50% 60% sure that you don't know this trick. If you don't know this trick, please watch this trick, and if you also know this trick, then also please you also see this this trick. You have to only open the Google. After that you have to text Google gravity, and after that you have to search. After searching, now you can see one Google gravity Mr. Do. You have to click on this. Now it is very stable. Now you can see. But do you want to see a magic? Bang. You can do anything with the search bar with all the letters: Google, Maps, Play, Search, Sign in, all the it is. You can see it is really turn it has what it is I can explain. So this is the third number trick, and let's move toward fourth number trick. This trick is very nice. I love this trick very much. So this trick I am not able to give you the example of the trick, but you can try it, and if it works then please let me know in the comment section. First you have to open WhatsApp. After that sometimes you may want that you watch any other's WhatsApp status, but but you want that you watched anyone's WhatsApp status, but he or she will not be able to see your name in the viewer list. So this will be very much effective when you have anyone with quarrel or money, but you don't you have, want to see their status. So for that you have to just click in the this is the home page, and after that you have to click in this three dot settings, account, privacy, and after that you have to disable this read receipts mode. That you this is only the trick, and you can try it and let me know in the comment section. So let's move to the next point. So in this trick I am going to show you a very useful tricks. So just try this. Open the YouTube. After that, in the search, type anything, any song or any song only, and open. You can hear the music, but when you close, and you will not be able to hear any of the music in the background. So for that you have to open the Google Chrome, and after that one time after that you have to type in the address bar, that www.youtube.com. now now in this type section you can type any of the song, and play it. I'm showing you. Displaying, I think you are able to hear displaying. So after that, press the home button, and after that, in the notification bar, click the play, so that you can see it is playing in the background and no problem will be happening. So I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, press the subscribe button, press the like button, and don't forget to leave a comment.